Hey guys, okay, we're doing something different today. Okay, so we all love and know Walmart as our spot to go for makeup and beauty and cleaning supplies, but I've never thought of Walmart as a destination for plus size clothing. It's just, when you say plus size fashion, your mind doesn't immediately go to Walmart. So a while back, I'd asked you guys on Twitter, where should we do hauls from this year? And a lot of you guys were like, do somewhere different, somewhere really affordable, something we don't see very often. And I think I did that. So I ordered a bunch of plus size fashion from Walmart. So I'm kind of excited about it. I was just taking everything out of the box, kind of sorting through it, and some of it looks really good. I went on the site and I was going through, and first of all, the prices are amazing, so affordable. This is not sponsored. The prices were so good, and they actually had some really trendy things. Some of it was, you know, bad, but that happens in everywhere, you know. But really good prices, some really trendy things, some weird sizing that I kind of noticed when I was going through it. So let's try these things on. All right, we have a big pile. Okay, so instead of like trying these on side by side, we need to just do this in real time together. So we have a lot to try. Let's see if Walmart plus size fashion is a hit or miss. Okay, so the first item is really cute. It's this little sweater. It actually has little slits on the shoulders. It's actually really cute. I'll link everything down below because everything was so cheap. Like, I'm pretty sure everything was under $20, I think. Like maybe even under 10. So this is really cute. I would definitely wear this. It's kind of like a nice little gray color, a little gold detailing, and the little openings on the shoulders are really trendy. The little, you know, tie up here is trendy. Nice for winter. This gets a thumbs up. Okay, I can't even get this to zip. This one is really weird. So I got this in a 3X and it literally fits like a large, but like it won't even zip. I got it in a 3X because I wanted it to be like nice and baggy and comfortable because it's like long too, but this is a no. So what I noticed, all the Walmart brands are different. Like, it's not like there's a brand called Walmart, it's like a bunch of different brands. So this is the brand, the last one is Moral Fiber, and we'll see what this one is in a minute when I am not naked under it. Yeah, the last one I got in a 2X and it was nice and baggy. This is a 3X and couldn't even zip. And it's the brand Zanzia. Okay. This one is weird. But it's not like completely awful. It's kind of a weird, like, this is supposed to be a shirt and it comes down kind of low, like it just looks bad. I guess I could like belt it and kind of bunch it up, but it fits kind of weird. Like, the sleeves are really tight and it just feels kind of like ill shaped. Like, it looks kind of weird. This is from the brand Peter T. I sized up on this and got a 3X, and it feels more like a 1 or 2X maybe. I didn't really know what to expect from the sizing here. Like, for size reference at like Lane Bryant, Torrid, you know, normal plus size stores, I usually get a 2X. So I got 3Xs in a lot of this just to make sure it would fit. But I'm finding that the 3X seems to run kind of small in a lot of these brands. And then we come to this shirt, which I got a 2X in, and you know, it's very roomy and flowy, so it's gonna really depend on the brand. Like, it's not a consistent sizing. This is from the brand Super Soft, and it's actually really cute. I think this would look really cute, like tucked into something high-waisted, because you have this little ruffle. I like the exposed upper arm. And it is nice and long for all my fellow ladies with a long torso. The color's really pretty. It's cute. So this is a 2X in No Boundaries. A lot smaller, but I think this is more of a youth brand. But it's just like a plain tee. If you want to get like a plain t-shirt, I would definitely, you know, size up unless you want it a little bit more fitted. So I also got this cardigan from the brand Poof in a 2X. This is actually really cute together because it has the little green stripe. So this is actually pretty cute. I like this cardigan a lot. This fits pretty pretty normal for a 2X. Don't worry, I do have pants coming. I'm just not ready to brave that section yet. So this was kind of cool. This is like a vest. This is from the brand Maxwell Studio. It's a 2X. This is definitely more of like a plus size 2X. You can always tell when it's like, you know, a plus size 2X versus like a youth 2X, you know, and that's kind of what the mix of what we're getting here. I don't know, I kind of just thought this was cute on the website. It's just like a furry, you know, textured little vest with the little flap collars. This would look cute with like a long sleeve turtleneck underneath. And the sizing on this is definitely normal. It's really soft. I feel like I could definitely style this cute for the rest of winter. All right, so I got one denim top. It's from the brand Rock and Stone. I got this in a 3X because I didn't know how the sizing would be. I like the collar. Look how cute the collar is. I think if you're gonna shop the plus section, it's not gonna be super easy to do online. It's something you should probably do in store where you can try things on because everything runs so differently. I like this because it actually has stretch to it. It's like a stretch denim. Like I could definitely button it. I kind of like it open more though, like layered with like a plain, you know, white tee or tank. I actually really like this with some leggings and boots, and that little, you know, collar accent is really cute. And like I said, stretchy. I like this. I would recommend this a lot. Okay, so let's dive into the pants. I got a few pairs. So this looks really small. It's from that brand called Poof. Like, look how small. They just, like, in person, I don't know if it shows in camera, they look kind of like a large. And they're supposed to be joggers. I'm not even gonna try these on. I'm gonna give these to my cousin because they look way too small. They're really cute though. They have a little stripe on the side. They're joggers, but I know my big thighs will not fit in there. This looks a lot better. So this is from the brand Lifestyle Attitude. I got these in a 2X and they look like an actual 2X. All right, we're gonna go out to my mirror so I can show you better. So I really like these pants. They're like stretchy and comfortable, but I feel like they're really fashionable. That little cropped ankle length. And they're really flattering and you can wear it with like a little cropped top. I really like these pants. Cute. So these jeans are from the brand Jordake. They're a little tight, but they're like stretchy. Maybe if I sized up one, they'd fit better, but they're very stretchy, but they're a little tight. So for size reference, I got these in a size 16. I wear a 16 at Torrid, so I think for these I would need an 18. So just a little point of reference if you're gonna do Jordake skinny jeans from Walmart. So if you're gonna get these, size up, but they feel good if they were a little bit bigger. Okay, so I really like these next pants. They're kind of like a really thick legging. So these are from Faded Glory. These are a size 2X. They fit really well. They're really like thick and stretchy and comfortable. A little faux leather stripe on the side. And they're like really opaque too. And I feel like you could dress these up even for work. You know, these are so comfortable. Definitely recommend these. Okay, so what do we think? I feel like it's definitely a hit or miss situation. Like some of it was really good, really cute, really comfortable, really affordable. But you know, some of it, the sizing was just so off, like so off. I mean, I could definitely like return some of this stuff and you can just bring it into the store if you want to. There's more selection online. Like when I was going through the website, there really was a lot of plus. Like there was pages and pages and pages. So like that's the part I really liked because I could really go ahead and look through at all the variety. But I don't know. I haven't really seen like a lot of really good plus in store at my Walmart anyway. Maybe at your Walmart it's a little bit different, but if you can go in person, I think that'd be better. Try it on. Or just take a shot like I did and order it all online and you can return what needs to be returned. But I thought that was really interesting, kind of like a little social experiment. Because, you know, maybe we take Walmart for granted because some of this stuff was super cute and so affordable. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun. Let me know where you think we should try their plus size fashion next. Where should we go? What should we try? What is unexpected? I feel like I've tried almost all plus size option. So I'll definitely be going through your comments to see where our next haul should be from. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what piece you like the best that I tried on today. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. All right, I love you guys. Bye.